Today we'll talk about how can you disable this sign or know how you can do that on your Getcontact app. So you just follow this ways, then it's going to work with you. So all you have to do, you just go down here, you click here on menu down here. So then it's going to take you to this list. It's going to show for you like this. Then all you have to do now, so you just click here on settings here. When you just click on settings, then you come to next step here. It's going to show for you like this. So then you just click here on notification settings here. Just click on it here. Then you come to next step here. It's going to show for you like this here. Then you come here to get notified whenever your user sheet has a new tag. Click in this sign. Like you see, this color show for us. That's mean here it's enabled with us now. That's all you have to do. That's all. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to support us by liking.